In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on extended hours in Tradingview. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting, knowing how to display extended hours on your charts can provide you with invaluable insights into pre-market and after-hours trading activity. So let's get started. First, open up Tradingview in your web browser and ensure you're logged into your account. To begin, navigate to the main chart interface by selecting the chart option from the dashboard. This will open up the charting area where you can view and analyze your stock data. Once your chart is open, the next step is to focus on the trading data. Here's where you can activate the display of pre-market and after-hours trading information. Within the Tradingview chart, you'll want to click anywhere on the interface to ensure the focus is set properly. Doing so ensures that you'll have access to all of the chart options and settings you need. Next, right-click directly on the chart itself. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this list, go ahead and choose Settings. The Settings window is where you'll find all the necessary adjustments for your chart. Look for the Trading tab in the Settings menu, as this is where you can enable additional data displays. Once you click on Trading, locate the option titled Extended Price Line across the entire chart width. By enabling this option, your chart will display the extended hours trading data, helping you observe price movements outside of regular market hours. It's essential for gaining a comprehensive view of how a stock behaves when the traditional market is closed. After you've made your selection, confirm your changes by clicking on OK. This will apply the settings to your chart, updating it to include the additional data. You should now see the pre-market and after-hours information laid out beautifully along the chart. To finalize, select any specific stock symbol you're interested in. For example, you might choose Tesla by typing its ticker symbol, TSLA, into the search bar. Once you do this, your chart will update to reflect this specific stock, along with the newly enabled extended hours data. Finally, to ensure that everything has been set up correctly, look for a pre-market label on the chart. This is a sign that the extended hours are successfully enabled, and trading data for those times is now visible. With this setup complete, you'll now have a broader and more informed perspective when engaging with your stock analyses on Tradingview. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on extended hours in Tradingview. This setup will help you make more informed trading decisions by providing a fuller picture of stock movements. Thanks for watching and happy trading.